In this video, we'll discuss customization of the taskbar and start menu in Windows Vista. As with past versions of Windows dating back to Windows 95, you can change the properties of the taskbar and start menu to suit your needs. Here's how. Right-click in a blank area on the taskbar. In the pop-up menu, click Properties. The taskbar and start menu properties window appears. The taskbar tab appears by default. All of the checkboxes are selected except one, to auto-hide the taskbar. Auto-hide means that if you don't place the mouse pointer at the bottom of the screen, the taskbar will disappear and you have all the screen space devoted to open programs. If you place the mouse pointer at the bottom of the screen, the taskbar reappears. Click the Start Menu tab to change the Start menu. You can choose between the Windows Vista Start menu and the Classic Start menu, which gives you the look and feel of the Start menu in previous versions of Windows. If you don't want others to see a list of recently opened files and/or programs, clear one or both of the checkboxes in the Privacy area. When you select a Start menu style, the Customize button becomes active to the right of the Start menu or Classic Start menu buttons, depending on which style you select. When you click the Customize button, the Customize Start menu window appears. You can scroll through the customization list to tell Windows how links, icons, and menus appear and behave in the Start menu. You can also show the number of recent programs to display and show or hide Internet and/or email links. By default, Vista shows the Internet and email lists. Vista automatically detects software for use with the Internet and managing email, but you can change the programs for Internet and email by clicking on the appropriate box and then selecting the program you want to use for the list. For example, if I click the Internet Explorer button, I can select from Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox as the web browser to display in the Start menu. You can discard all changes you've made in the window and revert back to the default settings by clicking the Use Default Settings button. For now, click the Cancel button. If you want to change what's visible in the notification area, click the Notification Area tab. All checkboxes are selected by default, meaning that Windows will hide inactive icons that you haven't clicked recently, and will also show the system icons for volume, network, and power, and also always show the clock. If you don't want one or more of these options available, clear the appropriate checkbox. You can also add and remove toolbars from the taskbar by clicking the Toolbars tab. By default, the Quick Launch toolbar is added to the taskbar. You can also add toolbars that contain an address bar for browsing the web, Windows Media Player functions, web links, tablet PC functions, and the desktop that puts all of the icons in the desktop within easy reach as a menu on the taskbar. Close the taskbar and Start Menu Properties window by clicking the Cancel button.